Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
In this lesson, we'll examine the different types of tip diaries that taxpayers who receive tip income can keep. Let's begin by looking at IRS Publication 1244, Employees' Daily Record of Tips and Report to Employer. This IRS publication contains both Form 4070A, Employees' Daily Record of Tips, as well as Form 4070, Employees' Report of Tips to Employer. We have included a copy of Publication 1244 with this course, which you can access in the training interface. It's not surprising that the Internal Revenue Service recommends these forms to taxpayers who receive tip income. And in the case of an audit, these are the forms that will be most easily reviewed by the IRS. Although the IRS recommends using the forms from Publication 1244, taxpayers may also elect other methods to keep tip diaries. One such method involves keeping some sort of homemade tip diary. For some taxpayers, this is a small notebook, much like a mileage log, in which to keep daily tip information. Some choose to keep electronic records in a computer file at home. And with the continuing development of smart technology, some employees are making use of software applications right on the job, using phones and other handheld devices to keep an accurate record of their tip income. A third method of keeping daily tip records involves the taxpayer keeping copies of records given to him or her by the employer. The best example of this can usually be found in food service businesses, where servers and bartenders run some sort of daily sales report at the end of each shift. These daily reports typically list the employee's sales to customers during that shift, the amount of credit card tips owed to the employee, and the amount of cash due to the employer at the end of the shift. Many taxpayers choose to make a copy of daily sales reports, which are then saved as a tip diary. Whichever method a taxpayer uses to maintain a tip diary, 4 pieces of information must be kept for each shift the employee works: the amount of cash tips earned on the shift, the amount of charge tips earned on that shift, the value of non-cash items received as tips during that shift, and the amount of tip outs that the employee paid to other employees on that shift. When logging tip outs, specific information should be noted concerning exactly how much was tipped out and to whom.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.